Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce a new figure in my collection, the World War II German 12th SS Panzer Division Oberschu tze. Let's get started. The figure comes with a beautifully sculpted head sculpt. It also includes an M44P camouflage tunic and matching M44P camouflage trousers, a pair of boots made from genuine leather, and a helmet with an inner liner and camouflage cover. Next, we have the included accessories, an MG42 spare barrel with a barrel case made of metal, and a G43 rifle constructed from real wood and metal. It also comes with a drum magazine with a carrier, a German toque, and a German canteen. It also includes an MG42 ammo box made of metal, as well as a German gas mask canister, also constructed from metal. Other accessories include a bread bag, a German A-frame carrier, a G43 ammo pouch, and a black ammo pouch. It also comes with an HJ knife made of metal and a grenade. There are quite a lot of accessories included here. I'll do a close-up shoot later so you can take a better look at all the details.